Hey friends, this is Horton again. We are going to do our math lesson number 52. We're going to talk about linking cubes. So what are some linking cube patterns that we've done before? Right, we did AB with the linking cubes. We also did AB with our teddy bears. We did AB with stomping our feet and clapping our hands. So we've used AB a whole bunch, but you guys were able to create your own AB. Now we're going to learn how to copy the AB pattern. So I'm going to choose two colors real quick and we're going to make an AB pattern. Miss Horton's favorite color is yellow, so we're going to use yellow. And we're going to use green. I want A to be yellow and B to be green. So let's take them apart real quick and let's count them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 yellow linking cubes and 5 green linking cubes. Okay, so let's make our AB pattern. I'm going to start with the yellow because it's A, and my green is B. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, and B. So now I've made an AB pattern with green and yellow. What are some other ways that we could say AB instead of AB? How else could we describe this pattern? We could say yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. We could also say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So there's different ways that we can do or say this pattern. So I want to break this pattern up into groups of A and B. So A and B. Each time you have a group, I want you to take it apart. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Now let's see how many AB patterns that we have in that tower. 1, let's slide count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 AB patterns in that tower. So let's break all these apart. So today we're going to learn how to copy a pattern. And we're going to show how to identify an AB pattern. So we are going to make a tower just like this one on the strip. It is with yellow and red. So let's put our green back together and we're going to get red out. Okay, so we need yellow and red. So we have to make sure that our pattern starts with yellow because yellow is our A and red is our B. Now we also have to make sure we have the same amount of cubes. So let's go ahead and count how many yellow ones they have in this one, and we'll count out how many we need over here. So there's 1 yellow, 2, 3, 4. They have 4 yellow in this pattern. Let's count how many red we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need 4 yellow and 4 red. So let's go ahead and count that out. We already have our yellow one broke off, so let's slide count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only need 4, so I'm going to set this one to the side. Now I'm going to break apart this one and count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1 left over, so I'm going to set him over here because we only need 4 yellow and 4 red. Now, our first color starts with yellow, so let's put our yellow as A. And then our B is red, so A and B. Let's put them together for A, B. So then we start again, A and B, A, B, A, and B, just like that. and it matches our card. It has yellow started with A, and we end down here with B, which is red. And we have the exact same amount of cubes. Now, we need to double check and make sure that ours is the exact same. So, let's lay these down. See if Miss Horton can get it to where it's not. Okay, here we go. All right. So let's make sure that our pattern matches exact. So, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Our two patterns match the exact same with yellow and red. Let's count and make sure they have the exact same amount of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They both have 8 cubes. All right, so we were able to double check our math with that one. Okay, so now we are going to try something different. We're going to try a different pattern. Let's go ahead and take this apart and count them as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put them together and count them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to go ahead and add that 1 that was set aside. So 1 that's set aside, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now we are going to do a new pattern. It's random, a random pattern. But we have to make sure we use the exact colors at the exact right time. Okay, so it starts green, green, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. Man, that's confusing. But we have to make sure it's exact. So let's go ahead and get our green, red, and yellow cubes. Green, red, and yellow cubes. Okay, let's count how many green cubes are in this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to count out 4 green cubes real quick. Count them as you pull them apart. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1 left over, so I'm going to set it over here. Let's count how many red pattern or linking cubes we will need. 1, 2. Just 2. So 1, 2. Let's set the others to the side. Now let's count how many yellow that we need. 1, 2. So we only need 2 yellow. 1, 2. Set the other ones to the side. Okay, so we have the exact amount of each color that we need now. Now we have to figure out how to put it together. So it says to start with 2 green. So let's do that. Let's start with 2 green. So 1 and 2. And then down here it says it goes green, green, and then red. So now I need to pick up a red. Okay, so green, green, red, green. So now I gotta get a green. So now I have green, green, red, green. Now a yellow. Green, green, red, green, yellow, red. Now I need a red. Green, green, red, green, yellow, red, green. And then my last pattern block is yellow. And I can set them beside each other to make sure that they are the exact same. So let's see. Green, green, red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. So we made sure that we put that pattern the exact way it said on this card because we are copying pattern blocks. Okay, let's try another one. We are going to try one that is an ABB. This is a new pattern, ABB. So that means all the A's are going to be the exact same and all of the B's will be the exact same. Okay, so our ABB pattern is going to be just like this. Our A is green and our B's are yellow. So A, B, B, A, B, B. Let's see if we can try that with green and yellow. Let's count how many greens we will need. 1, 2. We only need 2 greens, so let's go ahead and get those out. So 1, 2. Now let's count out how many we need for the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow. Okay, so now we have to do A, B, B. So we know green is A and B is yellow, but it goes A and then 2 B's. So let's try that. A, B, another B, B. And then we start over. A, B, B. Our pattern stick and our linking cubes look the exact same with the A, B, B pattern. And we can check this by making sure we can set it beside each other, just like this. Let's set it back here. And we can use our fingers and count, and say the colors. Green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow, yellow. That tells us that we have the same amount of linking cubes, and we check to make sure that the colors are the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and try an ABC pattern. This ABC pattern is red, green, and yellow. So let's go ahead and get those out. Okay, so let's count how many red we will need. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's count how many green. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's count how many yellow. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now our A is red, our B is green, and our C is yellow. A, B, C. A, B, C. Let's see if we can match this. So our A, here we go. There you can see it. Our A is red, our B is green, and our C is yellow. So we have an A, B, C so far. Now we have more linking cubes to add on, so let's keep going. A, B, and C. A, B, C. We can lay it beside each other. A, B, C, A, B, C. We can go red, green, yellow, red, green, yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This linking cube and this pattern on our sheet here are the exact same. So we copied this pattern. Okay, so for your sheet today, you are going to be doing your own pattern. So up here is a random one, and you're going to use the colors red, yellow, blue, green, orange, and yellow. Then you're going to come down here, and you're going to do an AB pattern with green and red. And then by the smiley face, you are going to do a pattern that's orange, blue, blue, orange, blue, blue. That sounds like an ABB pattern to me. Then you're going to circle the picture with an AB pattern. Then you're going to move down here at the bottom, and you're going to make your own AB pattern. I can't wait to see what colors you use. You're going to flip it over. We're going to practice writing the number 9, and you are going to draw a picture of 9 oranges right here. And make sure that you use the color orange when you're drawing your oranges. All right, friends. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you when we come back to school.